Hi guys, so this is another transit reading. This is for May 20. So May 20 meron tayong hinihintay or we are anticipating is a moon conjunct Jupiter in Cancer. So although moon is about our emotion and Jupiter it's also about the planet of expansion and luck. So if you have any of the following signs sa big four mo, okay. So that will be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries. Kinig ka, ha? So, on this day kasi, this transit, mag-amplify ito ng ng emotions para sa atin. So, ito yung para magkakaroon ka ng desire for need for support, secure emotional security, and andun yung point na medyo sabihin natin na magiging engage ka sa mga situation na sa paligid mo. Andun din na magkakaroon ka ng deeper desire for care, warmth, closeness siguro, physical touch. But andun din naman on the light side din, medyo you will feel that sense of generosity. So medyo ingat-ingat lang sa paggastos sa Now, in terms of work naman, so may possible improvement naman sa work environment mo, and especially with your colleague, makahanap ka ng mga additional support for them. So, ibig sabihin nun, this is a good time for collaboration, informal communication, exchange of ideas, teamwork. Pero andoon din na may risk din na baka mamaya masobra nyo naman ma-overestimate yung capacity ng bawat isa. So, ano na, place some boundaries then. And in terms of family related matter, andoon na this is a good time to create a comfortable environment para sa inyong lahat. In terms naman sa relationship, so there's a growing need para sa closeness. So if you're planning some dates for today, go. Maganda yan. So andoon you can create new memories. So andoon, kasi once you do that, you can find na meron kayong mga candid o yung mga conversations na parang, uy, bago to ayan, magagat or warm conversations. And important din na since ito yung transit natin, huwag ka masyadong mag-idealize na dapat ganito yung partner ko, dapat ganito siya mag-react. No. Andun tayo dapat we're open to them being who they are. Yun. So, I hope nakatulong yung transit reading sa'yo and subscribe, like, and share para makita tayo sa mga next video.